Hey guys, this is Sammy's Adventures. Today we're going to catch centipedes and bugs. We're going to do it. So, we're going to find some bugs now. We're at our first spot, and this is where we saw our first centipede, and they were both two big ones.
So this time we brought nippers so that we can pick it up straight away when we catch it.
By the way, I gotta get the small bucket out.
Okay.
Put your this one.
Alright, I'll flip it. You grab the big centipede. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's nothing.
It was the wrong one, I guess.
I think the big one's gone. Alright, let's keep moving.
No, it was the wrong one.
Should we try this one?
Yeah.
There's nothing. Alright, let's go to the big ones.
Wait, we accidentally picked the both wrong ones.
Yeah?
They were both the wrong ones. I'm pretty sure it was that one.
Yep.
That one right there.
I can't roll that one. That one's too big. Up here, buddy. Oh, yeah. This is the good stuff.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's start with this one. So step back behind me.
Yeah.
And I'll flip it over this way.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Nothing.
Maybe move it a little bit.
Yep. Okay. All right, this one?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Nothing.
Some termites.
Termites, we don't want those.
We definitely don't want that. I think this is the one.
Yeah. Hey, this is the one where I saw a weird furry thing. Yeah, it looks like a centipede, but I'm pretty sure it was one, but it was just furry.
Okay, we ready to flip this?
Yeah.
You ready to get it? 1, 2, 3.
No.
Oh, what's that thing? Spider. Where are they all today?
Whoa,
Oh, there was a little one.
look at this.
It's a kind of
This
cool
is-
beetle.
No, see? It has the snippers.
Oh, is it a stag beetle?
Yeah, the stamp.
That's pretty cool.
Oh god, I'm touching.
Whoa.
First of all, day. Oh, there's a bit of water.
All right.
Okay, gotta get the tongs out and grab this guy. Okay. Hey Dad, I
Yeah.
picked this stag beetle up and it bit me and it didn't even hurt.
Good. Gloves. Okay, next.
This boy.
This one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nothing.
Just a termites.
We don't want you to get in. Oh, be careful this one right now.
Yeah. This one. Which other way?
Yep. Just roly-polies.
Anything here? Nope. Ah.
Nothing.
No. Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, I found a good one around here. This one doesn't look like it's been moved.
Yeah. We haven't even moved that one.
This is a brand newie.
Yeah, brand new.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yep, that's a stonker! Quick, grab your bucket. Go grab your bucket. I'll keep an eye on him. Oh, that's a big one, Sam. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get him.
Do you want me to get him or you want to get him?
I want to get him. Where is he?
I'll get the bucket.
Is he right there?
He's under there. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's huge. That's the biggest one yet. In the bucket. Oh, look at that. Good job. Sweet.
Sweet. Oh my nose.
Cool. What else have we got in here though?
Just
I did see
what?
a millipede.
This one?
Yeah. You don't want to mix them up, so put him in the other bucket.
Yep.
And I see a roly beetle too.
Yep. In the other bucket too.
Oh, this guy though. Holy moly.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
Right. Oh my god. Biggest one we ever got.
That is the biggest one we've ever got.
It was bigger than the ones where we were in. Bigger than that.
Yeah. Good job.
What about that one over there?
Well, we've got to put it all back together, so grab your stuff.
Yep.
Alright.
But first, Dad, we missed this one over that one.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Hold this guy without him biting you.
Yeah. Like.
Okay, this one. Ready?
Wait, don't.
Okay.
I gotta get, Here we are.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's heavy.
Yep, heavy. What is that for?
Nothing exciting.
What is that? What
Just a
is that?
cockroach. There's one back here too.
Oh, yeah. What about...
Nothing exciting. Let's push on
Yeah, what...
and go roll a couple more.
Like,
Can you believe that?
oh my god.
I know. Alright, push on.
Oh my god. Yeah, what? Let's quickly see. Something might be.
No, that one hasn't been there.
Hey guys, Sammy's Adventures, and today we got our centipede, what we always wanted to get. He is alive, and
He's massive.
yes, and we're going to let him go now, and yeah.
He's so cool.
He does have very tough pinches. Okay, I want to let him go here.
Okay, cool.
See what he does. Come on, buddy.
Step back so he doesn't bite you.
Yeah, do you want to see him come out? I just need to touch him. Ding. Yep, he's going to come out.
Oh, there he goes.
Whoa, he's a big one! Ding, 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 ding. Look at him go. He thinks that's a safe spot. Wait, I'm just gonna
He'll be fine there.
look. You know, he actually just crouched up. See?
Oh, you can just see his creepy tail.
Yeah. Should we see that tail?
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
lord.
he's gone all the way under. Where did he go?
He went, no. Under here.
Yeah, I see him. He's gone.
No,
he's
Dad.
perfect for this.
Dad, let me show you.
Alright, let him go. No, he's out of here. Okay, come on, let's go. Good hunting, buddy.
Good hunting, Dad.
Get another one next time. That was great.
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa.
Oh, there he
goes.
is. But I'm pretty sure. Look at that tail right there.
Alright, we're gonna let him go now.
Yep, he's gone.
He's gone. Cool. Alright.
Sick. Best day ever.